Now I am explaining the test of divisibility. Divisibility by 7 or 13. Divide the number into groups of 3 digits. Three digits together you should group it. Starting from the right. And find the difference between the sum of the numbers in odd and even places. If the difference is 0 or the multiple of 7 or 13, then the full number is divisible by 7 or 13. Let us see one example. 5,79,488. I told you to divide this number into groups starting from the right. In one group, 3 digits should be there. See, I am grouping. Starting from the right, I told no, from the right, 3 digits. After that, one more 3 digits are there. Okay, so 579 is the first 3 digits, then 488 is the second 3 digits. So 579 minus 488 is 91. It is divisible by 7 as well as it is divisible by 13. So this 5,79,488 is divisible by 7 also and 13 also. Next sum. I am taking one 7-digit number. 45,37,792. That is the question. Okay. I told you to divide the number into groups which is having 3 digits starting from the right. I told from the right side I am taking 3 digits as one group. So 792 is one group. Then next 3 digits are second group. 537 is second group. Then 4 alone is left. That is also one group. Okay. Now this is 4 is in first place. 792 is in third place. So I told you to find the sum of numbers in odd places. 4 plus 792. At even place only one number is there, one group is there, that is 537 minus 537. I am adding these two. 4 plus 792 is 796 minus 537. I got 259. In 259, 7 table is going. Am I right? See, 259 divided by 7. 3 7s are 21. 4 7 7s are 49. So 259 is divisible by 7, but it is not divisible by 13. 13 table, 1 time 12. 9 13s are 117. So remainder is 12. So it is not divisible by 13. So this full number is divisible by 7 but not divisible by 13. I'll do few more problems based on this divisibility. I'll explain about the test of divisibility by level. I am telling you the condition first. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of its digits at odd places and the sum of its digits at even places is either 0 or the multiple of 11. That is the concept. That means you have to add the digits at odd places. Then you should add the digits at even places. You have to find out the difference between those two. Okay, if the difference is 0 or the multiple of 11, then the full number is divisible by 11. That is the concept. See, I am taking one example. 16,588. 1 is first digit. Am I right? 5 is third digit. 8 is fifth digit. I am adding 1 plus 5 plus 8. I got it as 14. Next 6 is second digit. 8 is fourth digit. I am adding these two. Because you have to add the digits at even places, no? So I am adding 6 plus 18. I got 8. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 I got. I am finding out the difference. 14 minus 14 is 0. So if the difference is 0, then this full number is the multiple of 11. That is, the full number is divisible by 11.